CSE 441 is our HCI capstone. It builds upon CSE 440, which is our HCI course, and so these are interdisciplinary teams of students drawn from CSE, the iSchool, and Human-Centered Design and Engineering, all working together to build out interactive experiences and the deep questions that come up and pushing those through.
Our project is called Serendipity, and the goal of our project was to build an offline travel companion for backpackers. We wanted to build an application that would allow them to navigate and explore the city even without a data connection.
I think our biggest challenge was trying to pitch, design, and develop our project within 10 weeks.
Our project is IEP Collect, and it's a tablet application which allows special education teachers to track students' progress towards their goals.
In our meeting with the teachers, it surfaced the ability to just view the accommodations.
And one of our goals with our design is actually to make the design super user-friendly. We want these teachers to be able to go through the tasks really easily and quickly.
And what you really want is something that's more related to the activity that's happening.
So this is the home screen for our application. It has a list of all the students that a particular teacher is looking at. From here, you can look at a list of all the accommodations for all of the students. They're listed by the accommodation, so if you're giving a test and you need to know who's using a calculator, then you click on that right there and it's going to give you a list of the students. From here, you can go to the student profile. You can also go here from that first page that we saw. This has a list of students' accommodations at the top, then their simplified goals.
The best thing about this project was being able to work collaboratively with students in the computer science department and really going out into the community of special education teachers and researching what they want and what they need.
When we were showing them what we finally came up with and how excited they were that there was something that they thought would actually be helpful in the classroom, it was a good feeling to know that we're actually doing something worthwhile.
This quarter I've gotten extremely lucky. I'm working with two very bright people, and thankfully in this case our skill sets are perfect complements, so we have a lot of different talent across the board that's just been really helpful. So we have some people who are really good at one thing, other people who are really good at other things, and it's been really nice.
And we're making a platform for students to buy, sell, and exchange textbooks inside the community. We are prioritizing the convenience and the price of the book, so it helps them to get books easier, good for the buyer and also the seller.
A diverse group with different backgrounds, different skill sets, and that made it really interesting to learn from each other along the way. We worked through ideation all the way through implementation, which was really cool. In 10 weeks to be able to go from just an idea into creating an actual website was really interesting, really fun.
CS majors have an idea of not only what it takes to design things, but how to create a design that fits in with the scope of development. Because in the real world, you're not just designing things, you have to build them.